Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Maria. She's got her information down on the bottom of her bag, but I'm gonna link everything down below. But this one has a card with my name on it, so we are gonna open it up. Look, she's even got a poison bottle in the back, so cute. All right. Look at this cute little card. I don't know if she's made this or if she's purchased it, but either way, it's so cute. So cute. It just says, Lacey, thank you for hosting such a spooky swap. I love your swaps that you host. Oh, thank you. The two big boxes are the same and yours is a little different. The Sunday cups have a, what does it say? She's made something that's in the little cups. I can't read exactly what it said, but we're going to get into it. She's got 3 of these. They were all slightly different, but this one popped open, so I grabbed this one, and it's got a little kitty on here, and a little ghosty. So let's open this real quick. So she made something. Let's see what she's made. This is a fun little... Is this loofah? I don't know, but that's fun. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. So, oh, it's like a little, like a little, what am I thinking? Like a swag. It's like a bunting, like, you know, it's just, wow, I'm totally blanking on the word. But, like, yeah, you hang it up. Like, no, I guess it would be kind of like a swag. What am I thinking of? Garland? Wow. Something like that. But look how pretty this is. I actually have, like, a candy corn type of garland that has the same colors as this. So this will go in really well. You can put this on a tier tray. You can do so much stuff with it. This is really, really cute. And so different. So different. That is neat. Sorry, I blanked on the word. But even her little container is cute. So cute. And then we're going to get into her little swap bag. We have sequins, we have shred, we have stuff everywhere. Here's one of her little shakers. Let's pull this out. This is fun. I like how she's glued this eyelash or like scrubby yarn, whatever you want to call it, all along the edge, and it gives it such a fun look. And she's done acetate on both sides. I haven't done a shaker like that in a while, but I love seeing them. I don't know why I don't think about that. I don't know why, but I should do it again because this is so cute. It's got such a little fun mix. It says Bewitched. It's got just some fun little... Oh, she's done it in foam. That's why it's so flexible. I was like, why is this so flexible? But it's in glitter foam that she's done these little star sprigs. I don't know, but that's really, really cute. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. Let's see. Here's our other shaker. Another potion bottle. Another potion bottle. This one's out of paper. But I love how she's used this stuff. I feel like it's like loofah material. And I don't know if you get this in a roll or she's taken one apart. You might be able to get it in a roll because like the scrubby yarn is kind of like same concept type of thing. But I like her use of it like this. It's really neat. I love seeing new stuff. So it's so much fun. And then here's her embellishment box. She's got it all wrapped up in tulle. She's got all this fun, like, tissue shred. I feel like I've seen it last year, too, but I don't know where it's from. But there's, like, little cats, there's moons, and there's stars. And then here's her embellishment box, all embellished up. She's even layered the bottom of the boxes. So cute. All right, let's see. How's this one? Nails. There we go. Oh, look at all this fun stuff. So she's got larger compartments, but she's got these jam-packed full of stuff. So we have like silicone beads in this one. Here, let's get us in the mix. So we have buttons. Look at these buttons. Those ones are a little flat back, but these are really cute. Still seeing new stuff, guys. Still seeing new stuff. I have silicone beads. There's a button. Little flat back witchy. I have lots of silicone beads. And then more buttons. I got this little witch. This little pumpkin with a witch. And then we have, oh, look at this one. How cute is that? That's so cute. And then we have this one. These are all really cute. Some of them, I don't know if I've seen the boo-haw before. And then this one looks like it's got a bunch of wire wrapped beads, and wire wrapped beads, you know, they take some time, especially these type. I'm like, I use a looping tool because I'm just not a wire wrap girly, but I try. But these are fun. Look at these beads. So pearls. Ooh, look at these ones. These ones are fun. It almost looks like a grape cluster, but we have black as well. Those are cool looking beads. Or did she make those? All right, let's hold on. We got to get in here. So look at, so I can see twine. So I don't know if she's made these or if bought these, and they're just all smaller beads that she's just interlaced to give like this cluster look. But those are freaking amazing. That is so cool. I think she did because they're all slightly different size maybe. I don't know, but those are cool. She's going to have to tell us. Those are really cool. And then we got these gemmy beads. I love these gemmy beads. And then we have these beads. This is a different looking bead. It's a button. A button that she's put a ring on to make it into a bead. Very clever. I think that they are, but that is so clever because I like the looks of them, and she's got even some seed beads on these ones. I'm pretty sure Maria was in my Halloween swap last year, and I think she also did an amazing job. And maybe that's why I seen the shred before. Pretty sure she was in my Halloween swap last year. See, here's some more little clusters. These are really, really cool. I know she's got an Etsy shop, so I'm going to link that below, and we might have to go check it out and see what she's got. Maybe she's got some wire wrap beads in there. I'm not quite sure what she's got, but we're going to go check it out. Look at, I love these little eyeball beads. Can you see those? Like, look how cute those are. Freaking adorable. All right, and we have some little brooms, and she's got the scrubby yarn on there and some little spiders. Those are really cute. Those are like ready to pop onto something. A couple more wire wrapped beads. We have some flower flat backs. These are really pretty. We have some furry little pom-pom type of beads. It's always good. We have little tassels. We have some flat back pearls. We have some smaller little flowers. There's a little vampire charm. And then over here we have a couple little bottles. They have this. So this one has black sequins in it. There's a couple orange ones. Oh, maybe it's orange and black. You just gotta shake it up. And then she's used that like scrubby stuff around the outside and put a little nail charm on there. And then same way with this one, but this one's got little orange beads. Ooh, I don't have any like this, so I'm happy to have those in my little collection. Some more wire wrapped beads. We have charms. A little green ghosty. bubblegum bead. This is really pretty, Moon. I like this orange. It's like a pinkish orange. What else do we have? Bat. This is neat. It's like this little tassel charm. That's really cool. I don't know what she's made or what she doesn't, but either way, I'm impressed with some of this stuff. Lots of charms. Little kitties. And oh, I forgot, I skipped over this one. So we have this one that says witch. You know, I have these things. I haven't pulled them out in a while, but look how tiny these little beads are. These like little, they're like, it's kind of like squared off little seed beads. Those are really cute. And eek. Isn't it funny how you see something and you're like, oh, I need to pull those out. So yeah, I have these. I think my hoops are slightly bigger, but I haven't played with them in a while. But now I need to. So many fun things. So many fun things. I love these little tassel things. So yeah, I mean, did she tie these individual tassels? Like, if so, wow. And then in here is just like a shaker type of mix. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a salty sugar type of mix. We have some bones, and then we have this little bead mix. These little purple beads. So cute. I know I've said that 1,000 times. I swear. I know that I've said it over and over again, but we're still seeing new stuff. So many new things still. Yes, make sure you give Maria some love. I'm going to link her down below because I'm definitely going to have to go check out her Etsy shop, see what she's making. And yes, make sure we support her and give her some crafty love. She's plenty of designs over on IG. So we'll see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.